Hello everyone, this is Rahul from Opus. Here we are going to solve this question. Make a park bench for senior citizen that is inspired by nature. So we are going to take inspiration from the elements of nature. Let's first draw the general structure of the park bench. Suppose this is our structure in which we are going to make the bench. Okay, so we can add other designs too. Now from here we will start constructing the bench itself. So suppose I take inspiration from the tree branches of this structure and make the outlines or make the handles on that basis, like exactly on that textures and structures, which would look like tree branches. After that, on the body also we can think of structures like that. And then for the backrest, we can take inspiration from the how the branches splits away from each other. Based on that, we can create a structure. So this is how you can take inspiration from the elements of the nature and create a design that looks impactful. So our basic structure is ready. Now here we are going to add the structures in which the resting area shall be. So here we are going to use the texture of the wood. So you need to always be aware like how which item in the nature looks like what, and from there if you observe carefully you can start making designs on the of this fashion, where you can take inspiration from anything you want and create and put that inspirations into a design like this. So as you see, our bench is almost ready, and then we can just add some colors to it to make it look impactful. So we will add colors exactly at the branches so that our design starts looking well finished. So as you see, we are giving the designs and making it accordingly. For this part, we can just apply the flat color of the wood, and then at certain parts wherever there is this structure, we can add those lines, and then some lighter lines. So now you see that our design is ready, which is the solution of the question. And here we have taken inspiration from the tree branches and its structure to create a park bench, which is for the senior citizens. So now now you can understand like how to solve questions like this. You can start from a basic shape and then add your creativity into that shape by taking inspiration from various elements of the given subject. So I hope this lesson helps you in understanding how to solve this question. Thank you.